What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to update Emirates ID in UAE Pass app. So you might be wondering how do you exactly do so here? Well, there are a few things that you need to understand or you need to do here. So the thing with Emirates here, or your Emirates ID, once your renewed Emirates ID is officially issued, the UAE Pass system usually updates it automatically. But in this case, just to be safe here, there are going to be a few waiting days here that in order for you, after you receive your new ID here, to give the system time to sync your details or to sync everything up in here. But if, like for example, it's still not syncing here or your details are not still being updated, well, there are a few things that you could try doing. So what you need to do is you want to open up the UAE Pass app here and you want to log in into your account. I want to go to the very bottom here and click or press on Documents. Now, in the Documents page here, what you need to do is you want to go and click on Request a Document. And in the Request a Document option here, you want to scroll and basically find the option here that says Emirates ID and just tap on the request option. Now just follow the on-screen steps in order for you to make the request here. But in this case, once you've done that, you want to go ahead and go back into your account here and you can go ahead and look or check the issued section for your account here in the document section, and you should see your new Emirates ID already listed in there. But then again, you may need to fill out some details and wait for a few days or a few hours here in order for the details to sync up. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.